fuck you.
Croyez-vous que j'ai éprouvé des regrets en voyant la destruction, le fracas des
Why
armes et
my
les cris d'horreur?
rewind time
Non,
was
je n'ai pensé à rien de tout ça.
nul?
En cet instant,
Seriously,
j'ai
I
pensé
can't
qu'à une seule et
understand.
unique chose.
Why?
Combien mon père serait fier de voir son fils combattre comme un vrai guerrier.
It's a joke. I'm still streaming and oh come on, can I please press X?
Ce jour-là, de nombreux hommes ont cherché à se couvrir de gloire sur le champ de bataille, afin que leur roi leur dise, comme Khosrow avait dit à Rustam, « Tu es le plus noble de les guerriers. » Et dès que le combat commençait, j'ai su que je n'y avais pas ma place.
Seriously?
La fierté de mon père, je la gagnerais non pas en tuant, mais en trouvant
It's
la
not a
salle
problem
au
that I
trésor
failed
du
the jump, but
Maharaja et les
why
merveilles qu'elle recèle.
was I wasn't able to rewind? Oh, that was late. Yes. At least double roll. For not losing time. The enemy are like in a bad position, but no problem. Okay, bye Javier. Thanks for stopping by. Inafu, please. Don't forget to donate. It's important. Don't forget to donate.
Dois-je reprendre mon récit à partir de ce point la prochaine fois? Et elle était là, presque hors d'atteinte. La dague du temps.
I can't PB
Un
because
trésor que je pourrais
you
arborer
guys
fièrement comme symbole
haven't
de notre
donated
victoire.
anything to me.
Si seulement j'arrivais à m'en saisir.
Whoa, that jump was bad. So I will fail that one too, yes. Huh. If you give me 1000 euros, I can PB. So I'm counting on you guys. That was close. Scientific maturity.
chaque fois que je les terrassais, ils se relevaient.
Hey Kata, how are
Bien
you?
vite, j'ai compris que je ne pouvais les délivrer de leur malédiction qu'en prenant à l'intérieur de ma dague le
Ah,
sable
we
qui
need
les
your
possédait.
skills. Yeah, I agree with Inafu. You want Kata stream? And if possible, a new world record in any percent. Oh yeah, cool. Me, I'm okay, I guess. Not great, but not bad. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy it. I need to go see it. I mean, Deadpool is pretty hype.
D'accord. Je reprendrai à partir de ce
What?
point.
Seriously? 20 bucks for...
Vous me croyez fou? Je le vois bien à votre regard. Vous vous dites que mon récit est invraisemblable. Peut-être ai-je perdu la raison en effet. Ce serait
Wow,
dommage.
Inafu, that's true for all the players of Warrior
Je
Within.
vous assure que ce que je
You
vous
know,
raconte est on ne peut plus
so
vrai.
for Kriban only. Can you please? That was slow as hell. That was is good.
Revenez! L'avais-je vraiment vu? Ou mes sens m'avaient-ils trompé? Traumatisé par tant d'horreur en me faisant apercevoir un spectre.
Yeah, Mirror Edge is
Quoi
really
qu'il en
hard.
soit, je savais que je ne trouverais pas de repos avant de l'avoir revu.
Oh yeah. Hope you will be able to stream when you have more time. Oh. I'll stream in weekday.
Donnez-moi la dague.
Qui êtes-vous?
Je suis Farah, la fille du Maharaja à qui vous l'avez dérobée.
Oh,
Tout est de votre faute.
like you have 2 hours stream.
Nous subirons le même sort.
Well,
si vous ne
I'm
donnez
streaming,
pas
so
la
I
dague pour traverser
can't
votre
watch
vie.
you, so it's not good for me. But
Prêtre de vizir. Je ne peux plus avoir confiance qu'en moi-même.
sweet man.
Fuyez! Allez dans le hall de réception et attendez-moi. Allez!
Oh, okay, I see. I didn't know that. Okay.
Non, non, c'est...
I'm really bad at early game, so my god will always... I got this segment like 3 times only today. So yeah. I can't. I have really bad movement in this game. So for me the start of the game is really hard. Can you please move? Come on, that was bad.
Aidez-moi à activer le système de défense de Hazard. Il faut être deux pour y arriver.
So yeah, I only got like a torpedo cutscene, torpedo ship cutscene after Farah. 2 times sub 910, and that was today. Like when I get sub 4 dagger, it's only 358 or 59 around that time. Oh yeah, I'm slowly improving, but it's not as crazy as you and Robbie.
C'est ça! Un des leviers fait pivoter la plateforme! L'autre la fait monter ou descendre!
Qu'ai-je fait? Les défenses du palais répondaient à une logique bien spéciale.
Yeah,
Il était possible
or
de
not.
les contourner grâce à des interrupteurs que j'ai bien vite appris à reconnaître. Mais il était difficile de ne pas me dire que j'avais commis une terrible erreur en actionnant un tel système de piège, lequel avait bien plus de chances de m'arracher la vie, à moi, qu'à un intrus qui ne serait pas de chair et de sang.
Oh come on! I wasn't able to see where I was. Can you? This camera is shit today. Not only today, but Kata, please. This will probably never happen. Oh, that was bad. But you are a legend, Kata. Since your world record is like 10 months old, I guess. Now we're talking about you in the past, at least for a runner. Of course it is. My god was shit and it's still shit. Okay, I guess I will try it. And that was bad. Never mind. I already lost all my time before, so it's not that important. That was just tempting. Yeah, but I mean, when you got it, it was still a popular category, and I didn't do the thing to the right, so it's bad. Come on. Yeah, but new strat, and if someone gets it with the new strat and you go back, that won't be good. Okay, well, for a bad segment, it was bad. The good computer, yeah, in a foot. But yeah, when you got it, really, even your sub 1, that was crazy at that time. So even if there is a little competition, I'm pretty sure you can get the world record back in no time.
Venez m'aider.
This fight is already bad. Okay, mais come on.
J'ai vite découvert que pour peu qu'elle contienne assez de sable, la dague avait aussi le pouvoir d'arrêter le temps. Pas pour moi, mais pour l'adversaire que j'avais frappé.
Come on, why did the blue guy go there? No, that is free.
Venez m'aider.
Come on, I can't see shit. Can you please? Thank you. Okay. That was okay. Can you please? Come on! Come on! I can't believe this shit. I can't believe this shit. Can you? Yes? It was slow as hell. Ah, lost 15 or 20 seconds to
Je
this
sais
fight.
ce que ça fait de perdre son père.
More 15.
Non, ce n'était pas mon père.
Ah,
Qu'est-ce que vous faites?
don't go in vacation. Vacation are for week.
D'accord.
Courses like okay, like classes.
J'ai peur que je n'arrive pas à suivre. Je vous couvre.
Je ne préfère pas, vous risqueriez de me toucher.
Oh my god, that was bad. Just be the official Prince of Persia PS2 runner, and people will donate. Don't forget to donate. Also, you can hear the music. Okay. Come on, not that slow. No. I have 1 minute to save if Farah follows me. He's following me after second sword.
Rien de nous séparer.
So no.
Calme ici.
Oh no no! Wait! What the fuck was that? Okay. What was this? No, I have no word.
sommes-nous?
Il faut trouver le
Princess.
moyen d'arriver en bas.
Genre, voilà. Oh my god. This is so bad right now.
Je ne peux pas faire ça.
Non,
Restez ici.
Je peux l'entendre.
Ah, il a fou.
Je vous attends ici. D'accord?
Even Italian people don't do pasta like that.
Vous allez bien? J'ai entendu des bruits étranges.
Je m'en remettrai, je vous remercie.
Putain, 24.
Je l'ai.
Ah, good luck, Inafo.
À vous maintenant.
Come on, it's like 2 or 3 here. Wow. Okay. Hope I didn't hit the trigger, no. This is not good, right? Oh my god. Okay. Hey, it's cold here. Ah, I stopped a little early. No, okay, that's good. Magic. Yeah, sure. Why not, Robbie? I want to... Wait, okay. I want to buy something called skills. Do you have it?
Où sommes-nous?
C'était la ménagerie du sultan.
Oh, that was so bad.
Pensez-vous pouvoir escalader ce mur?
C'est trop...
Okay,
Attendez
I
ici.
knew it.
Je vais
Can
voir
I?
si je trouve un
This
passage.
camera? Thank you. It's not that hard.
Vous avez réussi. Les oiseaux, comment ont-ils survécu au sable?
Ils n'ont pas dû
Oh.
survivre.
Come on, that was slow. Okay. Don't fail it this time. Thank you. See, it's not hard, Mehdi. Please, Kata. It wasn't even near good. Or are you talking about the music? That was bad.
Merci.
Inafu, please. There are children here, I'm pretty sure. Or not.
Si vous m'avez cru jusque-là, peut-être me croirez-vous encore
Uh,
quand je vous dirai qu'alors que nous traversions les
that was
ruines
average.
du Nord, je me suis senti étrangement attiré par la jeune femme qui m'accompagnait.
Okay.
La voix de la raison me disait de ne pas lui faire confiance, mais elle avait fait la preuve de sa loyauté. Et je l'avoue, me trouver en compagnie
Two
d'un
more.
prêtre de
Two
chair et de
more.
sang était pour moi une grande source de réconfort.
Je n'y arrive pas.
Ah, this point. Ouais.
Fantastique.
I can't say really. I can't say good. I mean, I got hit by the bird,
Voulez-vous monter sur cette plaque?
and I ran a little too much before grabbing the ladder, jumping for grabbing the ladder, etc., etc.
Il n'y a aucune fissure par où vous pourriez vous faufiler?
Wow, that was bad. So, should I go for cycle skip or not? Because I failed 80% of the time in one. Yes. That must be really heavy. Heavy. Come on. Nini, please. Yeah. Welcome back, Javier. We'll wake once, I guess. Yeah, literally, like literally. Even if literally can mean not literally. I have to release the stick, then move. Farah? Farah, don't fuck the run now, bitch.
Les bains.
But you know, literally means literally and not literally. So it's literally hard to know. Oh no 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 no, don't block Farah, you bitch. Okay. This is RIP or not? Okay, I just have to not die. After. Ah, nice. GG Robbie. What was wrong? Oh shit, that's so bad.
Distinguez cette lueur dont vous parliez.
Okay, I'll take the sand because so now it's up to Farah. Drags. Come on. Please Farah, follow. Please. Please, yes. Okay. What was that movement? What is wrong with me? Oh my god. This is bad. I only read the last line, but
Restez où vous êtes, je descends.
come on! Can I please play this game correctly for once?
Oh, vous voilà. Quoi?
Oh, yeah, of course, the scarab went away.
Regardez, une fissure. Je suis là. Pouvez-vous l'atteindre?
Restez sur cet interrupteur.
Vous avez réussi.
Any percent race.
Attention!
Of course he's in.
Quoi?
Well, I guess I'm in then. Well, for once Farah followed me, so of course it's better.
Cherchez un interrupteur.
La porte est ouverte. J'y vais.
Non! Attendez-moi!
Ok.
Une salle commune pour soldats. L'odeur de la nourriture s'exhalait encore de la cuisine. Quelques heures plus tôt, Ces tables accueillaient de nombreux hommes qui dînaient en plaisantant, comme les soldats de mon père le font à Siraf.
Ok.
Heureux car ils savent que les remparts du château les protègent et qu'ils n'ont nul adversaire à combattre. Mais comment ces hommes auraient-ils pu se douter que l'ennemi était déjà dans les murs?
At least now I know if I don't suck dick, it's -2 here. Come on, Farah. Come on, come on. I'm counting on you. Okay. Pretty sure I will fail the rewind trick because this run is good. Like, okay. Okay. Well, she's already time loss. Wow, mais what the fuck is wrong with the camera? Oh my god. Okay. So I will lose like 10 or 15 seconds. I think. Yes, okay.
Non, non.
Just because I can't set up a camera properly. Okay. So that's my first good run since ever. Place your bet. Where will this run die? I'm betting on zombie glitch because it's easy. What? Okay.
D'accord. Je reprendrai à partir de ce point. Attendez.
L'interrupteur est cassé.
Très drôle. Allez, ouvrez cette porte.
Mais je suis sérieuse. Il est vraiment cassé.
D'accord. Descendez, je prendrai un autre chemin.
Come on!
Soyez pas trop long.
Can you jump? Yes, but I won't have boss cookie for like the next time I see you. So phew, that was scary.
Je suis
And
en haut.
don't worry, I won't PB.
Il y a un large balcon en dessous. Venez, je vais vous montrer.
Like I said, don't worry, it won't PB, so you will not have to do it. Ah, almost. This run will lie in the probably most stupid way ever. I
C'est
just
trop
don't
loin.
know
Je n'y arriverai
what
pas.
it will be.
Je sais où je suis. Cette porte mène au...
Bien sûr.
Je sais où je suis. Cette porte mène au bain. Vous pensez pouvoir m'y rejoindre?
What?
Bien sûr. Ça devrait être facile de là où je me trouve.
Parfait. Je vous retrouve là-bas.
Of course. Why? Lately I can't get this fucking
Je n'ai qu'à demander à la première
thing.
créature que je croise. Pardon,
it's
pourriez-vous m'indiquer où se
easy.
trouvent les bains? Bien sûr, j'y travaillais
But
de mon
no,
vivant.
no first try.
Rejoignons-nous au bain. Elle me donne des ordres comme à un laquais. C'est ma faute.
I
Avec
hope
les femmes, il faut
it's
montrer
good.
tout de suite qui commande.
We'll see.
Sinon, elle vous marche sur la tête. J'ai été trop gentil. Sûrement parce qu'elle me fait de la peine. Mais tout
I'm
ça,
still
c'est
losing
fini.
time.
Elle va voir qui commande. Enfin, si j'arrive à la retrouver, bien sûr. Vous m'attendez depuis longtemps? Je n'avais pas compris que vous parliez de ces bains-là. Je suis allé aux autres, ceux qui se trouvent de l'autre côté de la ville. J'ai d'ailleurs bien profité de l'eau chaude et des senteurs parfumées. Dommage que vous n'ayez pas été là. Bon, arrête de parler tout seul, tu veux?
Stop talking to yourself. Okay, that was close, but at least it's good. Oh, come on. Oh, that jump was strange. There is so many run killer until the end. I'm not even at half the difficulty. I only did the thing were easy until now. This is why I can't trust this run for now. I didn't break the pot. No, this run is invalid. I'm sorry, I can't. I should visit, but I will continue. Easy. I'm losing 1 second for this setup, but at least it's working each time. So I don't know. I think it's worth it. Oh my god, it's not good. Or maybe it is actually. We'll see. No. Okay. Okay, so right now it's shock time. Come on. If I fail zombie glitch, this run is over. And even if I don't fail it, this run can be really over, like really easily over. At least until Guantanamo. Even like Guantanamo actually. Oh my god, this run is full of run killer. So let's try the new setup. 1, 2. No. What? I lost time. Okay, focus. What? Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's good. I lost time again, but at least I didn't fail it. I can do it, it's the princess and looking in front of him, in the direction of the camera. Because this will mess up my timing. Okay. Don't forget to press the button this time.
C'est vous?
Je suis là.
Yes! Okay. Right now the difficulty begins.
Farah,
Wow, the game is so laggy. Oh yeah.
ne bougez pas. Je vous rejoins. Farah, ne bougez pas. Je vous rejoins. Vous m'entendez?
I don't know why this was this is a goal, but okay. The sky is over. Okay, so right now, at least if the run dies, it's normal.
Farah,
But I don't want it to die to some Farah bullshit dying
Vous en avez mis du temps.
when I cross the door.
pourquoi?
Like
Vous
one time.
m'entendiez?
Like
Venez m'aider.
that. Come on, Farah. Come on, Farah. Farah. Hope it will be good. Okay, so right now.
Oh, vous voilà. Vous êtes sûr que je ne vous ralentis pas?
D'accord, d'accord.
Le hall de la connaissance.
Je vais faire de la musique. I need.
Nous avons dû ressortir des bains du mauvais côté. Il va nous falloir repasser par le palais
Focus.
royal.
Très bien. Cherchons la sortie.
Oh my god. Wait. It's not good. This is better. Okay, this should be good. But oh my god! Are you kidding me? Come on! Fuck this game! Like really? Come on, I lost 20 seconds to that! But spawn! Like, why? Come on. Nice camera. Not at all. What? Okay. Why? What? The enemy is... Oh my god. Okay, I don't care if this runs die now, but I will highlight it. This will be an highlight. Yeah, the enemy just fought. Yeah, I know my accent is shit enough. Okay. No, oh la la, that was close. Come. Oh my god, okay. No problem. The fight was bad, but I'll take it. Yeah, I know Kata.
Il doit bien y avoir un moyen de faire monter ce truc. Cherchez un interrupteur.
Qu'est-ce qui vous fait penser...
Président Slipper.
D'accord. Je reprendrai à partir de ce point.
Okay. So now I will probably lose time again. Because
Non, laissez tomber.
the fight was slow.
Non, ça n'est.
J'en ai trouvé un. Est-ce que je l'actionne?
Pas encore. Attendez que je sois sur la plateforme.
Okay, never mind. That was also
Vous
really
êtes sur
slow.
la plateforme?
Pas encore. Attendez que je sois sur la plateforme.
3, 4, move here, climb, 1, 2, we grab, 1 here, and when it's good.
J'arrive.
Attendez! Ne devez-vous pas ouvrir la porte?
Bazooka.
La porte s'est ouverte!
Borator. What the fuck is this world?
Venez!
What does Borator means?
Regardez! Une fissure!
Attendez, voyons où va ce couloir.
I'm going
Bien,
for
passez par
a
cette
PB. I don't care about the time
Tout à
for
l'heure!
now. And for me, a good time in
Je
the
suis
place
dans.
is
Essayez d'abaisser le levier.
121 and without a new warehouse at least. Yeah, 121 is a good time. At least is a time when
Je peux sauter!
where I can.
Essayez. Qu'est-ce qui peut vous arriver de toute façon?
Oh, okay.
Allez-y.
Thanks. Yeah. What was slow? Slow. Okay, so
de
yeah,
l'autre côté de la porte.
121 and
Attention!
C'est à vous de faire
sub
attention.
121, but even the 122 I won't complain for now.
Je suis là! Je n'arrive pas à ouvrir!
I just want to get a time where first place isn't that free, at least without new warehouse.
Aucune idée. J'improvise au fur et à mesure.
In France it will be GOM or effacer. No, but so I'm a condom.
Je suis dehors.
Let's try. I don't know. Yes, let's try it at least 2 or 3 times.
Je pourrais l'épouser. Et les filles de Maharaja, après tout. D'accord, mon frère. Et de son royaume. Il lui ferait du bien, insolente comme elle est.
Yes, I knew it. It will be good.
C'est bien une femme avec du caractère.
No, come on,
C'est tout dit.
please. 7 effacer 7. Yeah.
Attention, pointe.
Not yet, not yet, not yet. There are still 2 rewind tweaks
La tour de l'aube.
and other things. I hope they are not blocking Farah. Okay. So I won't beat this goal, never. Kata, please. I won't. I will never beat this goal. It will be a shame if I fail prison. And it probably will, because I can't handle the time right now. Yeah, no, I will never beat this goal. Even if I was slow sometimes, this was the maximum of what I can do.
Une prison. Il y en avait une de
Okay,
similaire
let's see.
dans le Big
Prison
Bang.
skip.
Je n'y avais jamais mis les pieds. Aujourd'hui, c'est
If I
une
got
règle
prison
prisonnier.
skip,
Et
only
je
got
cherchais
one revenge tricks to
désespérément
do.
ici.
I forgot what was good. What? What? Come on. Yes, what's better? That's really better. Okay. Well, I can't promise anything. The run can die in like 1 minute. No, 10 seconds. Yes.
Une salle de torture. C'était la première fois que je voyais de tels appareils de près, à portée de ma main.
Wow.
Où étaient
Un
ces
wick?
hommes qui avaient pour métier de torturer les prisonniers pour leur arracher les réponses désirées par leur roi?
Man, that sucks.
Ces réponses, il y avait. Au bout du compte, ils avaient connu le même sort que leurs victimes. Gardes et prisonniers
really
poussés
sucks
des
for you.
yeux des sables du temps.
Come on, bad bat. Hey Toka. How was Crash? Hey, thanks for hosting me. Nice. GG. Yes! A game with 25 minutes of loading time. Ah, don't worry, this run will die at this revent trick or elevator or somewhere. I mean, this run is too good for me. Nice. Okay. Whoa! That was close. Of course. One or two enemy always. It won't be fun. Yeah. This game is cancer, so it's already a good thing to be able to do a single race, a single one. Come on.
Faites attention.
Okay.
Quoi? Tout n'est pas un piège, vous savez.
Yeah, as Robbie said, you shouldn't be. So, I guess this is it. 5 more difficulty. The avatar is 1.
C'était facile.
Trop facile.
You're faint impotent speedrunner, Toka.
Les phases de piège,
No. Camera, don't show far up, please. Sorry, I can't read chat right now.
À l'aide!
Come on. No. Okay. Come on. What do I... Oh, shit. I won't use it. Oh, come on. Come on. You fucking enemy. Okay, this is bad. Ouais. This is bad. Come on. Yes. What the fuck, man? You bitch. Come on, the fight was good until there. Last enemy wrecked me because... Oh, come on. Well. Oh, bye Inafo, sorry, I didn't, so I don't think you're here, you're still here. Oh. Man. Oh, Kata. Oh, Kata, that's mean. The shots are real. Okay. Whew.
Le sablier est tout proche. Je le sens.
Vous le sentez? Comment?
I should have
Je
been
ne peux
able
pas
to save at
l'expliquer.
least 30 more seconds, but even 40. Okay. Okay.
Une tombe.
I never was so happy this cutscene exists.
La dague était dans
Just to
votre
relax a little.
Pourquoi avoir hésité? Pourquoi? Vous croyez plus malin que les autres, mais vous êtes comme tous les autres. Comme tous ces soldats qui ne
So,
savent que
cutscene
tuer,
skip.
tuer et détruire.
Ledge
Pourquoi ai-je cru en vous?
and another first person. Yellow Bats.
Mon prince, vous auriez dû me faire confiance.
Last fight. Vizier. So, 6 points.
Ah,
Choose where this run will die.
où êtes-vous?
Juste ici.
Prenez ma main. Serrez-la.
Can I draw my sword? It's not energy, so you can do glitch.
Ne pensez pas ce que j'ai dit.
Yeah, Kata, world record. French world record. Yes, French
Tout
world
cela,
record.
c'est de ma faute. Je voulais les honneurs, la gloire. J'ai causé notre perte.
Vous
Ah, I
êtes
have to
pour
focus for the
être
endgame. I haven't done endgame since
la nôtre. Au moins la dague disparaîtra.
9 or 10 days, I guess, something like that.
Nous sommes ensemble. Qu'y a-t-il?
Rien, rien.
Vous tremblez?
Je déteste
And
être
I
enfermé.
can't.
On doit pouvoir sortir
I
d'ici.
don't have time to save on the next
J'étais
split.
petite, ma
I
mère
think.
m'a appris un mot secret. Elle disait que si j'avais peur, il suffisait que je le chuchote pour que s'ouvre un passage secret.
No, but soon. There is
Je ne
still
l'ai jamais dit à personne.
3 tricks.
Je comprends.
3
Jamais
tricks.
rien
Yellow
entendu
Bats.
d'aussi puéril.
Last fight.
Quel est ce mot?
So yeah,
Cap-
I'm shaking, which is not good for playing.
Qui a fait ça?
Can't handle this time.
Farah?
I'm too bad to get this time. So, no. I'm pretty sure it will die. Hey, killer! Come on, that was too much. That one should be good, yes. Well, you know, if the game don't want to give you torpedo, you can get wrecked like in 10 seconds.
Où êtes-vous?
N'est-ce pas magnifique?
De quoi parlez-vous? Où êtes-vous?
Like food. Food is important.
Seulement nous pouvions rester.
Okay. Sorry. So,
Farah!
to the right.
Seulement nous pouvions rester ici.
Farah!
Okay. A
Où
job!
êtes-vous?
Dans ce game.
Dans vos bras.
Yux.
Je ne vous vois pas.
Yeah, sorry.
Qu'est-ce que...
Un.
Ça devient vraiment ridicule.
2, 3,
Farah?
4.
Prenez-moi dans vos bras.
C'est à moi que vous parlez?
Come on, don't lag.
Pourquoi êtes-vous si
Ok.
Farah?
1, 2, 3. Thanks, Kata. Bye.
Cette grotte magique.
Good movie.
Rien. S'il s'agissait
Have
d'un
fun
rêve,
watching Deadpool.
nous l'avons fait tous les deux. Ça, j'en suis sûr.
Okay, so now the game begins. No, but no.
Oh,
If I
non.
fail anything, I can still PB, but I will be really sad. Yeah, my NFAT is really shit for only saving 4 seconds on the split. YOLO bats, please. There is still a jump before YOLO bats, but come on, enemy. Okay, I wasn't able to see shit, so I prefer to wait. Okay, that was so safe, this is disgusting. Kiri, no? Yeah. That was so safe because of the camera. Yeah, but the camera was so shit at the start, I wasn't sure if I should go like always or not. Come on. Guys, please. I guess I lost 5 or 10 seconds. We'll see. Okay, no, okay. So, let's see this time if this final fight, last difficulty of the run, like difficulty if I screwed up, I will be so mad. Don't die. Don't do shit fight like in your PB.
Clara, non!
Toka, please! Ban yourself! Yeah, ban yourself! Come on! This not sub 120! Me, what the fuck is happening right now? Okay, got lucky. Seriously? Okay. Okay. No. Okay, fight was shit, but I'll take it. Et un tiens.
D'accord. Je reprendrai à partir de ce point.
Ok.
J'étais couvert de gloire.
No Vizier will decide this time.
J'aurais beau combattre jusqu'à changer le sable en sang.
Oh my god, I was able to finish, almost finish a run. Dude, please.
Majesté, pour votre propre sécurité, je
I'll
vous
take it.
conseille.
Ok.
Je me charge de cet intrus. Matrude vate mampai.
C'est de la
It
sorcellerie.
should be the only hit
Arrêtez
the
ça
Vizier
immédiatement.
will
Ne me dites pas que vous
be
croyez ce
able
qu'il
to
dit.
land.
Il est venu vous enlever, princesse.
Il
course.
s'apprête à vous trahir.
Tes efforts
Well, I
sont vains.
maybe
Vate mampai.
we'll see. If I
Allons,
don't
le
get
devant
the
mon père.
shit pattern here,
C'est lui qui le jugera.
it can be a 120, but it doesn't look. I don't know actually,
Je
honestly.
vous ai ordonné d'arrêter. Vous désobéissez.
No, that will be close. Honestly, that will be a little too close, I think, because of the light fight. Yeah, no.
Pensais-tu vraiment pouvoir me vaincre?
No, this won't be a 120. This will be
Vous allez
121,
finir par vous épuiser.
510, I don't know.
Matrude vate mampai.
Because I can't remember the time. I guess it's like 40 seconds after you kill the after this hit. Yes, if it's 40 seconds, yeah, low 121.
C'en est fini.
Like, ouais.
C'est drôle, je serais curieux de savoir comment le Maharaja réagira.
Honestly, I don't know. I don't want to know.
A été tué par le fils de son ennemi.
Ah no.
Tué par hasard.
10 seconds. Yeah, this could be 57.
Princesse, avant que je ne la tue, quelques mots
57 or not?
quelques mots d'amour.
Yes! Hell yeah! Finally a good time!
Alors c'était vrai.
Whew!
Tenez,
Yes!
ramenez-la à la salle du trésor. Gardez-la bien.
Je vous suis reconnaissante. Mais pourquoi aller jusqu'à inventer une histoire aussi folle? Je ne suis plus
Thanks,
une
guys.
enfant pour croire à de telles sornettes. J'ai dit que j'étais reconnaissante. Mais pas à ce point.
Ah, is a mod. So he can spam.
Inventer une histoire aussi folle. Je ne suis plus une enfant
One
pour croire à de telles
20.
sornettes.
C'est vrai,
Like,
ce n'est qu'une histoire.
with the 121, I will be happy, but
Attendez. Je ne connais pas
HOL
votre
was
nom.
shit. I lost 20 seconds at HOL.
Kakolukiam.
Last fight was shit. Lost Yeah. But honestly, I don't care about losing time at HOL or anything. Let me be happy about this PB, and I don't think I can't sub 120 without a new warehouse. Because yeah, like my run at the Guantanamo split, my goal, I can never beat that. I mean, I got the second ledge at HOL Courtyard, and with the perfect jump, like you didn't even stand on the thing where there are the bird, but drop down perfectly. So yeah, I don't think I can sub 120 without new warehouse. But yeah. Of course with Palm Tree, but if I go for Palm Tree, let's go for new warehouse. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. Yeah, yeah. Third place isn't that free anymore. It's still possible to do, but without new warehouse, at least it will ask. Yeah, new, it's free time save, but also EV reset. So without new warehouse, ASCO would have to grind a little to beat this time, and with new warehouse, he can beat it, but not by a good amount. So I hope this will, how to say, this will make him interested for going for first place when he will have time. Your mom is pretty free. Toka, please. With new warehouse, it's still like 5 minutes. You can still be, yeah, still 5 minutes more than a really good time. I think I will let the generic finish because I love this song. And oh, and my girlfriend asked me something, so I don't know yet. I don't care. I local record. I'm local recording at the moment. So the VOD can be mute. It's not a problem for me. And I also record the sound of the game with Audacity. So I will try to mix the Audacity audio with this video for not having me talking with my great accent and my shitty English. Okay. I want to dedicate this run to the new Pokemon announced, Magiana. Like a strange thing, but of course I'm splitting audio. But don't worry, I will submit this run for you. Yeah, 116. This is not a good final time. Yeah, 17 here like always. Well, so let's see if someone is streaming.